Okay, so we're back for week 2 of Vegetarian FOGO Life. We have Shannon back here again with us, Big Green Egg Foodie.
Easy for you to say?
Yeah, right, I know. Sometimes it's not so easy. So today, I'm going out on a limb with her here, okay? We've got, tell us what we're making.
We are going to introduce you, first time ever, to, yep, I said it, tofu. You're going in with an open mind.
I am open mind.
If you don't want to try tofu, you can definitely substitute pork or chicken in this recipe. I want to be able to eat this, so I'm going to do tofu since I'm a vegetarian.
That's what we're all about.
You're going to find that you love this.
Yeah, I'm going to find that I love it.
Love it. He's going to start going vegetarian after this.
So. Easy for you to say.
Right, exactly. So thanks for having me back.
Oh, you're very welcome. So we're going to be using our wok, okay?
Yes.
We're using the wok and the Big Green Egg. We got the charcoals already going here now. We're going to set it in there and let this thing heat up a little bit first, right?
Yep, we're going to get it nice and hot.
Okay, let's go ahead and sit it right in there. Get that sucker going. Maybe you can do that.
I'll pretend like it's Wok Wednesday and put it in there for you.
There we go. I'm at the bad angle. So we're going to heat this baby up. We're going to get everything going. Shannon's going to show us what to do here, and let's get started. All right, for the direct cook for the wok, we're going to use the FOGO Premium again. I'm going to load this baby up. Okay. Well, here we go. So, yeah, tofu stir fry. Okay.
Yes.
So what do we got? We got the wok is all heated up, right?
Correct.
This thing's about 400 degrees right now. We just closed the vent on the bottom because now we're going to be cooking with it open. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's going to get plenty of air.
Okay.
So I know you're so excited to get the tofu.
I am. I can't wait.
We're not do it yet. So we're going to put a little bit of oil in the pan.
Okay.
High smoke point, remember? So.
Yep. Very important.
You can tell it's nice and hot. The oil's kind of got a little shimmer going on there, so we've got that.
Oh yeah.
Now, I know you're so excited, the tofu, which could be pork or chicken, so if you're really anti-tofu.
I'm not anti-tofu.
Can't wait. Listen to that sizzle.
Oh yeah.
So that tofu actually has been pressed and then marinating in a teriyaki sauce. And I like to cut it into smaller pieces because I really want to get this crispy and hot because that's really going to make the difference in the way the tofu tastes. So I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes. Let it crisp up a little bit.
Awesome. It smells great. I feel like it smells like I'm at a Japanese restaurant right now, one of those hibachi restaurants. It's exactly what it smells like.
That's what I'm feeling like,
it's that teriyaki and ginger.
So, yeah.
Well, that's off to a good start.
Looking good. So we'll let that go so it can get a little crispy.
Okay.
So we'll let that sit for a couple minutes and then we'll throw everything else in.
So where'd you come up with this recipe? Is this something you made up or is this something that you've...
Yeah, just something I created. It's pretty much a basic recipe for stir fry.
Okay.
So we've got all the vegetables. I just do the tofu because I don't eat meat.
Right.
But like I said, you can always substitute something else in it.
Sure. I mean, you said chicken and pork. You can do it with beef. You know, I'm sure it would be good with that too. I joke around. I am anxious to try this. I've never once in my life ever tasted tofu, so I am looking forward to trying it. I joke around a little bit.
There's a lot of pressure. There is a lot of pressure right now to make sure this is the best tofu ever.
Yes.
So. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see it getting that nice little crisp char on it. Oh yeah.
I saw a couple of those pieces that are
cool.
Yeah, so we're gonna let that go a little more. That's why I'm doing the tofu first, so it can really get a nice little char on there.
Yeah. So when you cook it, does it change the consistency of the tofu or?
Tofu is similar to like a mushroom, so it's really kind of got that soft, I don't want to say spongy texture to it.
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of it in this stage, but once you cook it and you get the outside nice and crispy,
get that nice char.
That's when you get that nice crunchy little outside with the soft inside, and then the teriyaki sauce has been marinating in there for a few hours, so it's really infused the flavor into the tofu.
Nice. And probably that teriyaki too is glazing on there, and that's caramelizing on there. Gives you that nice crunchy umami flavored outside there.
Absolutely. That's why you're going to love it.
Yeah,
I cannot wait.
Can I stir it?
Go right ahead.
I'm cooking tofu. Look at me. I'm cooking tofu. Okay, so our tofu's getting there or what?
Yeah, it's been going on for probably about 2 or 3 minutes. You can see, look at all the nice little char.
It's char on it.
Got some crispiness going on here.
Very cool. Now what?
So, yeah, so now I'm going to make like kind of a little hole in the middle. I usually do add a tiny bit more oil, just and we are going to throw in our vegetables. Let's use our bench scraper.
Okay. Everything? Pineapple, everything?
We're going to throw it all in there. Yes. Yes, right. Chuck it in there.
3-pointer.
All right, Ron, throw the rest in there.
How about these guys?
No, I use those afterwards, and I know
Okay.
you're a huge fan.
Yeah,
of,
oh yeah. Yeah, yeah.
And we're going to do a little bit of garlic.
Okay.
Well, I know you like
A little more, a little more.
Sure,
little
you
more.
like it. That's good.
I'll just keep saying a little more until there's no more left.
All right, so
Oh yeah.
look how beautiful. Look at
That
those
is
colors.
nice. It looks good. I'll tell you that. I'm impressed. So far, we are looking good.
Now, the only thing that dawned on me, you only have one hot glove.
Yeah. We get the towel there.
Yeah, I know.
take that
I'll
one.
let you do that.
Yep. So now, when do we put the sauce on?
We're going to do that in just a second because
Okay.
we only really need it to be on there for a few seconds, and you can tell how incredibly hot this
Yeah,
is right
it
now.
is
So you
really
can tell
hot.
the vegetables are about cooked. You don't want them to be mushy. You still want them to be cooked,
little
but
crunch
like,
to 'em?
yeah, you want them to have some texture. So
If you wanted to, you could have taken the tofu out, cooked the vegetables down a little if you like them a little bit softer, right?
why would you want to do that?
Some people don't like them. I don't know.
We want veggies to
Okay.
taste like yummy veggies. So a little bit of
Yeah.
the teriyaki sauce because the veggies are just about done.
Yeah,
I
they
mean,
look that. They cook quick. I'll give you that. This
Yeah.
is like a teriyaki ginger marinade here. It smells so good.
so
All right, so this is ready, right? We'll take this off. Do we take this off?
nope, we're gonna go ahead and throw the
Oh.
rice in there. So
Oh, okay.
the key to fried rice though, cold rice. So this was cooked yesterday and put in the fridge. So let's throw that in there.
There you go. For you, a little gift.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Looky here. I'll tell you this. I hope if it tastes half as good as it smells and it looks,
It
we're in
does.
for a treat.
Look how good that is.
Man, it does look good. Can I stir it again?
Go for it, and then we're about ready to wrap it up.
Cooking the tofu again. Cooking the tofu. Look at me, Captain Ron, cooking tofu. All right, I think we're there, right?
I think so. Let's go ahead.
All right, good. Here, you
All
take
right,
that.
I'll take. Yep, you take the hot stuff.
What'd you call me?
Hot stuff.
All
I
right.
better watch out. Lynn's over here.
That's
so,
right.
all
All
right.
right.
So, throw this in the rice bowl.
Okay. Nice. In a pineapple bowl. Look at that. Does it get better
Is
than
that
that?
beautiful or what?
Woo! That sucker's burning hot. That's a fire in the hole, Mel. All right, cool.
There we go. So,
So-
we've got our fried rice.
I think we probably need. Wow, it smells so good. Mm-hmm. That smells so good.
I cannot wait for you to try this tofu.
I'll be honest.
excited.
We've been joking around about it, but I am excited to try it.
Yes.
So I'm gonna take a little spoonful out so I
Let's see
can
if you
let
can
it.
find. Yeah, there's.
I got a piece of
Don't
tofu.
burn-
Look,
don't burn
I got
yourself.
a tofu. All right. I'm gonna let that cool for a second while we discuss what we did here.
Yes.
And I got a piece of pineapple too because I love pineapple.
Yes,
And
pineapple
peppers.
on the grill
I got
is
a-
awesome.
I got a spoonful with a little bit of everything in there. So we got our peppers, pineapple, there's some broccoli, I got a piece of tofu in there. The rice got a beautiful, nice brown color to it from that nice sauce you put in there.
Nice.
Man, this looks awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and try it.
I'm waiting for see you burn your mouth, but yeah,
Oh, I
let's
know.
go for it.
It's hot. That's good.
Thank you.
That is really
See?
good.
You just had a whole vegetarian meal right here.
I'm amazed. Where's that tofu?
There's a tofu
There's a
piece
tofu.
for you. So go ahead and just try the tofu.
That's what I want to do. I want to try
Look
that by
how
itself.
crispy and gorgeous that
Is that
was.
nice brown caramelization on the outside of it? That is just gorgeous. So I'm going to try this by itself now.
Go
The
for
real
it.
thing. You know what?
Would you do that again if I had a knife in my hand?
No, you know what? Really, I don't find that the tofu itself has a ton of flavor on its own.
No.
I'm tasting the sauce. I'm actually tasting the combination. I'm tasting the garlic in there. And that was just a piece of tofu by itself. That is
was.
really nice.
Yeah.
I tell you what, I'm pleasantly surprised. I really am. That
I
is
am happy
that
to
is
hear that.
really good.
Tofu is good when it's prepared properly, and I think the wok,
I
do it
think
on the fire, get it charred.
that did a really
add some
nice
texture.
job. That did a
It's
nice
nice.
job, you know. Over the charcoal, you got a little bit of that smoky flavor in there. It was getting kind of hot cooking like that, but
It does, yes.
that's pretty neat. I'm glad we have the glove here. If in case it got any hotter, we were going to use that. So,
Yeah.
but this is really good. A super special treat. Tofu, what do you call this exactly?
This would just be a teriyaki tofu fried rice.
This is called Big Green Egg Foodie Teriyaki
Right.
Tofu Fried Rice. All right. So it's really good. I'm pleasantly surprised at how much I enjoyed that. It's really good. I'm going to dig right in here as soon as we're done. But listen, if you liked what you saw here, if you liked anything you see anytime, hit subscribe, hit like, ring the bell. Okay. Do any of these things. Leave us a comment. I love when you leave me comments. All right. Let us know what you think. If you've tried tofu, if you haven't tried tofu, if you would never try tofu, let us know. But Shannon, I want to thank you so much for coming out and cooking with us. You did a really great job. It's really something I've never tried, and it's really special.
I'm happy to be your first.
That's excellent.
And thank you for having me back.
Absolutely. Yep.
Loved
yep.
it.
So thank you for tuning in. We'll see you on the next episode of the FOGO Life.